What's up, boys? I took one trade today and kind of got lucky overall. I closed the position right away once this mistake happened, then I did. But I will go over that. But going overall, my bias was very bullish externally, even though I took a short because I did have internal bias short. But externally, very bullish because of the sell-off. We finally got that sell-off yesterday that took freaking forever. You know, we chop, 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 chop. Finally get this push down we were expecting. Tap that weekly again. Get an SMT down here on the 4-hour. ES almost sweeps all these lows but this last one, so it's a tap of that weekly, and I expect us to eventually start to see higher now. I think Penny is knocked behind me, but I do expect us to start to bounce off this and maybe get some continuation higher and maybe eventually see all-time highs, which would be nice. Our next battle, you know, will be this fair value gap, but when we get there, not right now. But going down, I kind of messed up here. I should have been more bullish than I was, but I was super bullish, but I wanted to see this 1-hour fair value gap get tapped. I did. I really wanted to see these lows, this soup, and this fair value get tapped, and then we buy up like we did. So overall bias is technically correct, but I think what I did wrong there was I wanted to see this ran and then this respected, then rerun that, which is not probable at all. So I should have been more aware and marked out this 15-minute and really understood what was happening. But the trade I took, it was not a bad trade at all. It was a very good trade for one con, but I accidentally entered in 2 more cons, and I was just trying to add 1 con. So I ended up getting a win, but I'm not going to count it as a win because I didn't earn the money. You know, I mean, I had good habits in place to protect the money, but I didn't necessarily earn it. So what happens is we get this internal swept, external swept, internal swept. I'm expecting to go short. So I get some selling pressure here. I think this is a protected high. I'm okay with this risk. I really just want to see these lows tests. I thought we for sure would get them, but the misinterpretation is this 15-minute fair value gap. I should have not tried to trade into that. Now you might ask where. So then we get this, and I enter once we I think we get. I enter once we get more selling pressure here. So I add like 2 more cons, but I thought I was going to add 1 con. So then I'm in for 3 big cons, and I don't want to be in for 3 big cons. That's too much risk. So what I do, I instantly close my position like right here. On this push down, I just instantly close it because it's too much risk for me. I didn't want that. And 2, I'm not going to get greedy. I'm going to be safe. So I ended up playing it safe and getting blessed and being in profit, but I shouldn't have been. And that's fine. You got to be able to understand when you should have and when you shouldn't have been in profit. You know what I mean? Like, I understand that really wasn't earned or stuff like that, but I still got it, so it's okay. But there really wasn't any entries to go higher. You know, we kind of just tapped this 15-minute a couple times and then launched to the buy side, which, you know, I didn't see any entries inside there. Nothing of my entry model. You know, we don't have any clean displacement. Maybe if we, like, you know, maybe if this move, I mean, I don't even know. We came down. We still respected it. So, I mean, maybe if your stop's the protected low, you know, maybe if you get filled, you know, this is the first tap of the 15. You take that displacement, you know, and you say, like, this is maybe your target. But kind of hard and kind of early, 940. You know, and maybe if you think that's the protected low, you don't think you're going to go under the 15-minute, you would, you know, fill it. Crazy R. This is a very unrealistic trade. But, you know, it's a possibility, I guess. But if you were playing the 15, but that's not my entry model. I'd want to see clean displacement, then a retrace, then a clean move to the upside, which we don't end up getting, which you might build some structure inside this 15-minute to then continue higher, but we don't know that yet. Also, if you guys want to join my free Discord, link is in the description. It's just a community of growing and helping each other in whatever way they need it. Also, like and subscribe this video. Check out all my socials. I'll have a link tree in my YouTube. I'd appreciate you guys follow those and subscribe. But thank you guys so much. Keep grinding and God bless.